In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download NordVPN Premium for free on Android in 2025. This method will guide you through acquiring a 3-day free trial, which allows you to experience the premium features without cost. Make sure to stay tuned till the end to avoid any charges. First things first, grab your Android device, head to the Google Play Store, and search for NordVPN in the search bar at the top. It should pop up fairly quickly. Once you find it, go ahead and tap that Install button. This will begin downloading NordVPN to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes, so be patient. Once NordVPN is fully installed, you'll notice an Open button taking the place of Install. Tap Open to launch the application. As it opens, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. At this point, you'll want to click on Sign Up, which is typically located at the bottom of the screen. This will prompt you to choose a method for signing up. While you can use different methods such as Google or Facebook, I recommend signing up with your email for a streamlined and secure registration process. After you've entered your email, keep an eye on your inbox. NordVPN will send you a verification code. Once you receive this email, input the code in the respective field in the NordVPN app. After entering the code, you'll be automatically logged in and directed to a new page where you can view various subscription options. Here's where you need to pay special attention. Look for information regarding the 3-day free trial. It's crucial to read through this to understand how the trial works and how to prevent any unexpected charges. After reviewing the details, proceed by clicking the button labeled Try to initiate your free trial. NordVPN will then redirect you to a page where you will need to input your payment details. This step is mandatory to activate the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged during the first 3 days. Just ensure your payment method is valid. Once you've entered the payment details, congratulations, you're all set to use NordVPN Premium for free. But here's the most important part. Remember to cancel your subscription within the 3 days if you decide not to continue with NordVPN in order to avoid any automatic deductions from your payment method. You can do this easily through the app settings or via the Play Store, and that's all there is to it. Enjoy your time with NordVPN and don't forget this crucial last step. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.